small hands.
Four small hands tugging at her skirt. She calls him from the payphone and twists the button on her shirt. It's closing time already. Cold begins to hurt. She pats their hair and says he's almost there as they bury in her skirt. Singing beats on endlessly in her head, and that is work. Headlights, tail lights go in the dirty gray late winter snow. Inside her head, she hears a voice start screaming. Where's my happy ending? This isn't what I bought. I'm racing to where the hell are you? Drinking money shot by shot. I could have been so special. I should have gone to school. But now I'm trapped at home, wait by the phone, sitting helpless like a child for you. Oh no. Oh no. Best I could, see my child no more, find another, find another. Baby boy arrived 2 years later, and now she's gone. 6 small feet still chase her. She used to read their crayon cards and draw pretty mermaids in the yard. I guess you didn't think it'd be so hard when it seemed so safe. You tried to drink, you